Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walmart for the week. I was able to get all of these items, which is over $60 worth of products, for just $4. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that. I am also going to be sharing at the end of the video pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was at the store. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad that you're here. If you are returning, I think you already know just how much I appreciate each and every one of you. So let's talk about these deals. Let's start with food, but let me talk with you about a couple of Ibotta offers that I wasn't able to find at my store that are freebies. So one of them is the Mountain Dew Rise. So check your store and see if you can find that. There is an Ibotta offer making that free after rebate. Also, check your app and see if you have the Pepsi Mango. That one is also a freebie if you can find it at your store. My store used to have it by the registers in the like refrigerators by the registers, but I was not able to find it this week, so I didn't score either of those freebies. But let's talk about the freebies that I did score. So on the Ibotta app, there is an offer for free after rebate. And double check because I'm not sure when this one expires, but it's for the So Delicious plant-based cream cheese. And there was like the regular cream cheese and then the chive and onion. My store only had this one in stock. It's priced at $4.66. Ibotta is giving $4.66 back, making this item completely free. Of course, if you're just tuning in and you have no idea what the Ibotta app is, I do have a complete tutorial on that app. It's amazing, and I've saved literally thousands on groceries over the years with that app. Join using my referral code because you're going to get an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Okay, of course, it wouldn't be Wednesday without this little freebie. So this popped up again this morning, $1.88 on this Coke with coffee, getting $1.88 back on Ibotta, making it completely free. I also grabbed the Purdue chicken again. I grabbed this last week for a moneymaker. This week, it was a little bit different. So I paid $3.47 for it. Two different Ibotta rebates attached for $1.25 back each. And then I hit two bonuses because it was the second time I did it. So it gave me two different 50-cent bonuses for purchasing this the second time, making this completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. So that's awesome. Mine looks kind of weird because I threw it in the freezer already because I knew we weren't going to eat it quickly. I know a lot of you have asked for meal ideas using the Ibotta rebates, so definitely grab that chicken if your store has it because that could make a very inexpensive meal for the week. I thought about like using one of the spaghetti sauces that we have gotten in the past and just doing like chicken, spaghetti sauce, and then pasta. Super inexpensive meal idea using Ibotta rebates. Also, I grabbed this Greek Gods yogurt. So there were a few different varieties that qualified. Now this is using the Swagbucks app. So these yogurts are priced at $4.48. You want to grab two of them to get the Swagbucks rebate because Swagbucks is giving $5 back when you buy two of them. So that's better than a buy one, get one free. And we actually really enjoy the Greek Gods yogurt. So I thought it was a good deal for my family. It ends up making it $4.76 for both of them, or just $2.38 each. Now, if you don't want to mess with Swagbucks for some reason, there is an Ibotta rebate for $1 back on each of them. But if you've watched me before, you know that I don't combine Swagbucks and any other rebate apps. If you want a complete tutorial on Swagbucks, I know that one's a little bit more challenging for people. I do have a complete tutorial on that one as well, and I can drop a link to that down in the video description box below. So if you still need some Halloween candy and you're looking for a cheap deal, I was able to find a pretty great deal on these Butterfingers. So my plan was to buy 3 of them. My store only had 2, so I got 2 of the Butterfinger and 1 of the Crunch Fun Size. They're priced at $2.98 each. Now I had a coupon for $2 off 3 from, I believe it was the $9.19 Smart Source. I'm gonna pop it up here on the screen. So I paid $6.94 at the register, but there were 2 different Ibotta rebates attaching. $1 back on each of them, so I got $3 back, but then there was a 50-cent offer also attaching on each of them, so that's another $1.50 back, making it $2.44 for all 3 bags, or just 81 cents a bag, which I thought was a great price. And now my Halloween candy shopping is done. I already had like a huge stash, so now I'm adding that to it and I am good. No more candy. Okay, another Ibotta offer is on these Celestial Teas. I finally found these. Not all the stores have them. It's these little individual ones at 98 cents each. And Ibotta has an offer for $1 back, and it is attaching to this. So I grabbed 5 of them, which is the limit, at 98 cents each. I got $1 back on each of them, making it a 10-cent moneymaker because you're making 2 cents on each of them. This is a super fun freebie. And honestly, I tried the Klondike Bars. I think it was the donuts that we got for free a year ago or maybe even longer. They're good. So Fetch Rewards popped up with an offer for these Klondike Reese's bars completely free after rebate. So they are $3.32. I got $3.32 when I submitted to my Fetch Rewards app, making it completely free. If you aren't using Fetch Rewards, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. Of course, I also have a full tutorial on that one as well. Okay, so I think that was all the food for this week. Let's talk about non-food items. One by Poise, these are priced at $5.46. There is a $3 printable coupon, making you pay $2.46 and getting back $3 on Ibotta. So total cost free and a 54-cent moneymaker. Of course, always check your apps and make sure you have these offers prior to going to the store and buying them. I also grabbed these Sky Organics cotton rounds. Like my store did not have the cotton balls, but I grabbed these at $2.48 because there's a rebate for $2 back, making this just 48 cents. Check your store though. I know some people are finding the cotton balls on clearance for 50 cents, making it like a huge moneymaker. But my store only had these, but for 48 cents, not a bad deal. And it gets you another Ibotta offer towards those bonuses. Another Ibotta deal that I did was on the all detergent. This is priced at $2.97. I used a printable coupon for $1 off, so I paid $1.97. And then there were 2 different Ibotta rebates that attached. One was 75 cents for this product. Another one was 10 cents off any laundry product. So I got this for a total of $1.12. I think that was all the Ibotta offers. Let's talk about Shopkick, okay? Shopkick is awesome. They have tons of great rebates. I did a few of them this week. The Dove soap. So my app had an offer for 625 kicks back. I purchased the Dove soap that's only 97 cents, but I did in fact get 625 kicks back, which is $2.50, making it free and $1.53 moneymaker. Mine processed super fast, so I actually ended up doing the deal a second time, making $1.53 again, so that was super cool. And I also grabbed the Dove dry spray at $1.97. Again, I had an offer on Shopkick for 625 kicks back, which is $2.50, making this free and a 53-cent moneymaker. Now, last week, you can see in the video I did the Tresemme bundle. I could have done that again. I decided to just grab a shampoo. This one's priced at 97 cents. I got 250 kicks back, which is $1, making it just a free 3-cent moneymaker. So easy peasy deals there. The last two offers I want to tell you about are Swagbucks deals. So if you're grabbing the Greek gods for Swagbucks, go ahead and grab these other deals as well if you want them or need them, because they are a great deal. This Palmolive antibacterial, this is the 20 fluid ounce. It's priced at $2 each. So I bought 3 of them. That's $6. Swagbucks is giving $5 back when you buy 3. So total cost of $1 for all 3 of them, or just 33 cents a piece. So a great deal. If you don't need all 3, get it for it's still cheaper to get all 3 and get the Swagbucks offer and give the other 2 to family or friends or neighbors. So easy deal. Also, yesterday I noticed my Swagbucks offer went from $4 back to $5 back on these Orajel Magical Unicorn, and I think there was a mermaid one as well. They're priced at $2.47, but Swagbucks is going to give you $5 back when you buy 2 of them. So that makes them free and a 6-cent moneymaker on this super cute toothpaste. Okay, that was everything. So I also hit my midweek moneymaker bonus on Ibotta, but it was only for $1 back. So that ended up making everything that you see here $4. So that's less than what it would cost for me to buy 1 of these Greek yogurts. So I think it's a fantastic deal. If y'all have questions about any of this stuff, please let me know. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Hope y'all are having a great week. Thanks.